Hello guys, I'm Asim Mahmood and you're watching my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to create custom design t-shirts by using Printful. Let's move on a desktop, please keep watching. Guys, as we have moved on desktop, let's start to create new products by using the Printful. First of all, you will have to log in with email ID and password. Now, and after login to your Printful account, you will go on product templates. You can see on left side of the page. Here it is. After opening product templates, then you will click on create more product templates, which are shown on the left side. Here it is here, and now choose the men's clothing and now choose the t-shirt which you want to use for creating a design. Okay, let's click on it and now choose the design, upload the design file. Okay. Upload. It will take few seconds to upload the file from your computer or system to Printful. Here it is. Now click on the design file and the design will be shown on the t-shirt. Here it is. And now you can choose the color of the t-shirt which you want to use. As you can see that the black design is not shown on the black color t-shirt, so let's change the color of the t-shirt. It is a white now, or we can choose any other color, and here you can make the size of the design bigger or smaller, and you can move it up and down and to left and right sides according to your requirements. Here the design. Now click on continues. Or you can remove the black color from the list as it is shown in the top. You can change it, or just click on continues. Here it is design, and you can see that the design on black color cannot be shown, so we will have to change the color of the t-shirt, remove the black color from the list, and now it will shown on the other color. Here it is. And now you can choose the sizes, select the sizes, click on all sizes and save product template. The product template will show here as a new template. You can see here it is the new template, and if you want to push this product to your WooCommerce, Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, etc., then you will have to connect your eBay, Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon account with this by clicking on connect your store. As here I have not attached connected any store to this Printful store, then I cannot push this product to any other store, and the product will remain in the Printful account, and anytime you can connect it to your WooCommerce, Shopify, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, or any other type of your online store. Then this product will be available in your own store, eBay, Amazon, WooCommerce, Shopify, etc. For the selling to your customers.